Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can turn off double tap to lock screen. You can see this when you just double tap it is turn off. How you can disable this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings, click on smart controls, and or you can simply go to this smart control, and here it is smart wake. You have to just turn it off like this, and it will not, and then you have to just press back, click on double tap it. You can see when you just double tap it is not working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.